Hello and welcome back to the Today We Craft channel. Today we're going to be showing you how to make these super simple stretchy headbands. You need a rectangle of stretch jersey, 18.5 inches by 4.5 inches. Now stretch jersey should be stretchy all over, but you want to make sure that the majority of the stretch is on the long side. Fold your fabric in half and mark 1 inch away from each end. Then use pins or quilting clips to secure all the way along. Use your sewing machine to zigzag stitch all the way between these two marks. Now that's done, either use a pair of scissors or a roller cutter to snip off any excess. Make sure you don't accidentally cut through your stitching. Use a safety pin to turn the tube of fabric back so it's the right way round. At this stage, give it a really quick, cool press. Grab the two ends so that the seams are facing you, and you want to grab the left-hand tab of the right-hand side and the right-hand tab of the left-hand side. Put these together so that the right sides are facing each other. Now we're going to be sewing all along this seam. I warn you, it is a little bit fiddly, so if you don't get it right first time, don't worry. Make sure that your machine is back onto a straight stitch. The best way of doing this is sewing a very small section at a time and moving the fabric constantly, making sure you're not snagging any bits that you don't mean to sew. Once you're done, it should look like this. Now, if you pull the two ends, then magically, ta-da! The seam folds in on itself. Now you just need to tuck over any raw edges, and we're going to be using an over or invisible stitch to seal up the hole. And that's your completed headband finished. If you're making these so that you can wear a face mask more comfortably, stitch on a couple of buttons just above the ear. Thank you so much for watching! Don't forget, if you want to see more crafty tutorials, then hit that subscribe button and the little notification bell. It's completely free, but it does really help out the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time!